Hello, I'm Dark Peppa Pig. And since today is April Fool's Day, I'm going to pull the fire alarm at school as an April Fool's prank. Ah!
When the fire drill was over.
Attention all students and staff, that was not a real fire drill. Also, the school was not on fire. But, it seems like a student must have pulled the fire alarm. The student who did such a thing like that will be sent to my office immediately.
Okay class, can anyone tell me who pulled the fire alarm?
Eu, some onintes chlas mustave pulet fire alarm. Tachol dbianeone. Tachol tevin beatra ublema fierliki Dark Peppa Pig. In fact, itachtual was Dark Peppa Pig. Isaueri reaving the show all last.
Oh my goodness Scratch Cat, thanks for telling me about that. Well Dark Peppa Pig, do you have anything to say about the incident?
April Fools. He just wanted to make an April Fool's prank for y'all. Ah!
That was not funny Dark Peppa Pig. How dare you pull the fire alarm as an April Fool's prank? You know that whenever the fire alarm goes off, we take it very seriously. That's it. Do me a favor and go to the principal's office right now.
Yes. Irreality Dark Peppa Pig Furigo odd. I have to agree with you Scratch Cat, she's one of the worst students in class. Yeah, I know right? Emicho.
So Dark Peppa Pig, were you the one who pulled the fire alarm? Tell me the truth right now.
Well, you won't be proud of me if I tell you this, but, yes, he pulled the fire alarm. And it was a very funny April Fool's prank.
Oh my goodness Dark Peppa Pig. How dare you pull the fire alarm as an April Fool's prank? You know that whenever the fire alarm goes off, we take it very seriously. That's it. You are suspended from this school for 20 days. Now, get out of my office, out of this school, and then go home right now.
When Dark Peppa Pig got home.
Dark Peppa Pig, good job for pulling the fire alarm at school and then get suspended for 20 days.
Antwort his, you are ungrounded for life. You can do whatever you want.
Yay. Thank you Mom and Dad, I feel a lot better now.
April Fools. In fact, you are grounded until your suspension time is over, which is 20 days.
Go to your own richt no and we will tell Peppa Pig and George Pig about his friend he get home from school and early leave. Will be Peppa Pig and George Pig skip school for 20 days.
Yes Mom and Dad, sorry Mom and Dad.